the NocFree Lite is changing the game when it comes to ergonomic keyboards, delivering a truly wireless experience without sacrificing performance or style. From the moment you place your hands on it, you can feel the attention to detail that went into its design. It's not just about eliminating cables. It's about enhancing the entire typing experience for professionals and creators who spend hours at their desks. With ultra-responsive, low-latency connectivity, the NocFree Lite ensures every keystroke is fast, fluid, and perfectly in sync. Whether you're coding, writing, or gaming, there's no lag, no dropouts, just consistent performance that feels as good as a wired setup. The built-in tinning angle is another standout feature, keeping your hands in a natural, neutral position that reduces strain during long sessions. It's subtle, but effective enough to notice the difference by the end of the day. The walnut palm rest adds a level of premium comfort you don't often see in mechanical keyboards. It's magnetically attached, easy to remove or adjust, and crafted to provide the kind of wrist support that encourages better posture without feeling bulky. NocFree Lite doesn't stop at comfort. It's also highly customizable. The standard PBT Cherry Profile keycaps feel great to type on, and you also get 4 additional curated sets to suit your style or workflow. For those who like a bit of flair, the keyboard comes with 31 vibrant RGB lighting effects that you can tweak to match your setup. Whether you're into bold colors or subtle glow, there's a lighting profile for every mood. And if you're always on the go, the included neoprene carrying case keeps your keyboard protected and ready for travel. Overall, the NocFree Lite offers a near-perfect blend of aesthetics, comfort, and performance. It's not just an ergonomic tool. It's a productivity powerhouse that fits seamlessly into any modern workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.